Alright, it's Monday. We are in Helensville, Wisconsin, and you guys can see we got a very big project ahead of us. Next 3 days we're doing this whole entire barn. You've seen the bad wall back there that's collapsing. I'll show you a little bit more of it over here. We're going to do all these walls and restructure this whole entire barn. But come inside here with me. And you can see the bank wall. The classic failed bank wall here. Fell right in and washed right in. So we're going to dig that out and restructure that. Build them a new wall there. Fill that in. And then we're just going to come through the rest of this barn and get it all buttoned up. Be a nice project for the next few days here.